So if you want to add cards and end screen on a video, you go on your channel studio. So here's the video we're going to do today. How to manually adjust date and time on Seiko Astron watches. Why this one? Because there is a link to point on that one. So for this, we're going to go on the lower right corner that we can see here, cards. So we hit cards, and that's going to bring us to the old YouTube parameters for video. So here I know that about at 8 seconds I will link something just right here. So we're going to listen to it. Just right now, you see I point a video. So we're going to go on add card, and we can add video or playlist. We can point to another channel. We can make a poll if you want to know how your viewers feel about this. You can create a poll and ask a question with some point. You can choose. Just do it. You'll see it's really easy. Or you can also link to your website. But for this, you have to make your website approved by YouTube on your channel, and this required a minimum of 1,000 subscribers for now. But it's pretty easy. Once you have your 1,000 subscriber, it's really easy. But today we want to point on the video or a playlist, so we're gonna make this create. And what we can see here is my most recent upload. Unfortunately, we can't go for the older video. You can also see the most recent playlist, only the most recent one. And actually the video I want to point is not here because it's too old. So we're gonna go on another tab to reach this video because I need the link. So I'm looking for Seiko here, and that's the video I want to point to. So I'm gonna go on that page, and here is the video URL. So we're gonna copy this simply by clicking just right here and come back to that page, paste the link just right here, and we're gonna create the card. So if we listen it again from the beginning, voila, that was as simple as that. When you're done, you click on return to YouTube Studio. Be careful, this will just shut down the tab. And this is not the video I am editing right now. This is the one I just clicked to come back to see. So we're gonna come back to our page, and we're gonna do the end screen now. End screen. Once you have done one, my end screen are always the same, so I just import it from another video. But otherwise, you can add elements just like the cards. You can point to a video or playlist. You can you can make your subscribe button appear. You can point to another channel if you do a collab with another YouTuber, and you can also link to your website. Actually, I'm just gonna import the video like this one. All of them are the same, and yeah, so the way it works, you see you got your this is my subscribe button. You can move it where you want. This is how you choose where it will appear. This is another channel I point to, and finally I got video. You can take the video, make it bigger if you want. I did some you know, this little box, I set them manually in the video editing software. I'm gonna re-import it to make it by default. And so yeah, let's see a preview. You see I just this little round, that's me. I do it in my editing software. Yeah, pretty much that's it. So at the end you hit the save button, and you can again return to YouTube Studio to do your stuff on your video page. So we are done for today, and we'll go to the end screen.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!